Who's looking for a wife? Who's looking for a job? Who's looking for a house? Who's looking for all three? Tonight, 3 in 1, guaranteed bi'idhnillah, because it's from the Quran. Musa alayhi salam, he went to Yemen. When he arrived there, he saw 2 sisters trying to get water for their sheep. So he approached them and he asked them if they need any help. They said yes. So he took the sheep, watered them, and he went. He went under the shade of a tree and he sat down and he went to Allah Azza wa Jal. And he said, Ya Allah, Rabbi, inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin faqir. Ya Allah, I am faqir. I am in dire need for any khair from you. Musa alayhi salam at that time, no house, no wife, no job, no food, nothing. So when he sat down and made the dua, instantly one of them came walking shy, modestly, and she said, my father would like to thank you and reward you for what you have done for us. Not only he got a wife, he got a choice. Which one? Choose one of my daughters. He got a job, 10-year contract. So one dua, just one dua, if it's coming sincerely from the heart, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will answer.